Hey guys, it's Joy, your travel expert here, staying at Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge with a bit of a Savannah view. I am alone, so I am recording by myself. So you walk in this door, you've got the closet here, hanging clothes, safe, steamer. These are amazing. If you haven't used a steamer at Disney for your clothes, they are actually really good. And then back in the bathroom with a double vanity, some storage underneath. Bathroom door that closes, toilet, stand-up shower. And then back out into the room, you have the beverage area, coffee, beverage fridge, 2 queen beds. Now, Animal Kingdom's Lodge does not have that trundle 5th sleeper in their rooms. But they have a nice vanity, a little sitting area. And then let's step out onto the Savannah. And look, there's a zebra. How cool is that? You can have your morning coffee with a zebra. And some vultures, maybe? Pretty cool.